how to voice record on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, open up the Samsung folder. Next, tap on voice recorder. And in here, before you press on the record button, at the top here, you got the standard recording. And then you got the interview recording. This will allow you to use the bottom microphone and the top microphone, so that when you are interviewing someone, you would have your phone facing that way to the person that you want to interview. And then this end here is basically you facing it towards yourself. And then there's another one is the speech to text. So you can use this option to use it as a speech to text. So you can convert up to 10 minutes of speech into text in here. So select which option that you want to use. And then after that, you can tap on the record button to start the voice recording. And once you have finished, you can press on the stop button, or you can press on the pause button, and that will allow you to play a preview of your voice recording. And you can move it backward or forward. If you want to erase over some part of the audio recording, so you want to erase this part right here, now you can move that timeline to here, and then tap on the record button to record over the existing audio. And that's it. So that is how you can record a voice file on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Once you press on the stop button, now you can save the recording and you can give it a name, and you can choose which categories it belongs to, and then tap on saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.